Hello YouTubers, welcome back to our weekly Flutter package tutorial series, and today we are going to learn how to use before and after Flutter widget. A Flutter package which makes it easier to display the difference between two images. Imaging: you want to create an app where people show their before and after picture. This package is perfect for that. You can create a social media app where people share before and after pictures. Here is the example shows how to use the widget. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. To install this package in your Flutter application, you need to add it as dependency in project pubspec file. This widget has some properties that you can use to customize according to your need. Let us check one after another. Take your time to study them all and know when to use them. Coding session. Let us now implement by coding example using this package. Okay, before that, here is the images we are going to use as examples. You can use any images you have. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Create new Flutter project by using Flutter CLI tool as shown here. Great. Now let's us add this dependency in pubspec file as shown here. As we are going to use image files from assets, we need to tell Flutter where to find them by editing pubspec file as shown here. Create a folder at the root of your project. You can never whatever you like, then add those images there as shown here. Then edit pubspec file to inform Flutter that we added those images. Remember to add image here whenever you add new image to Flutter. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Now let's get our hands dirty. It does not hurt to start from scratch.
Source codes for this demo is on description, have a look.
Now let us run our application on emulator. Let's us now implement the example showing how to use the widget, then we will run again the app to see the changes. As you can see, there is a bug here. It may not be there at the time you watch this video. After address the issue, I found the way around to solve it. Please follow the video as I demonstrate. This guy solved the issue, but he pull requested waiting for merging. While we wait for his pull request to be merged, we can work around by downloading his fix to include in our pub spec as shown. Now let us run our application on emulator. Great. As you can see, we managed to run our application, so go and expand the idea by creating amazing app from this widget. I hope you learned something new today. Subscribe for more videos like this. Links on description. Happy learning. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.